High-feed milling cutters. Features and benefits. Superior surface generation with integrated wiper facet. Maximum material removal rates. Suitable to machine HTA and titanium. Ultra-fine pitch cutters available to increase material removal rates, especially on high-temp alloys. Positive design to support lower cutting forces and long overhang usage. Ramping and plunge milling capabilities. First choice for non-ferrous alloys. Precision pressed. First choice for machining stainless steel and high-temp alloys. First choice for machining stainless steel and high-temp alloys. Geometry similar to D41, but with higher corner nose protection for heavier applications.